Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome! Here's a short video clip explaining and demonstrating how I get my data for the Learning Targets data. So here we are. I teach biology, and so I have some more data for my students took the Chapter 3 quiz. And so I'm going to highlight the last row in biology. I'm going to click Insert One Below, and then it puts in a row. I'm going to go ahead and highlight and click on All Borders, and now I'm ready to put in my data. So today is 11/29, and the Chapter 3 quiz target is for Learning Target 3. So I put a link here in case you ever need to see what the learning targets are again. So learning targets right here, biology learning targets. So number 3 isn't on there, but we'll have to get it on. It's a work in progress, people. So anyway, so I have to find out how my students did. And to do that, I just go to Schoology. So I go to Schoology and I go to my gradebook for all the classes that took this assessment. So period 4 took it. And so I'm just going to export my gradebook as a CSV. So I just do that and I save it on the desktop. And this is period 4. Now I have 2 period 4, so I'm going to name this one 4A. And then my next class is period 8. I'm just going down the list. This is this one right here. Right, period 8, same thing. And I have 2 period 8, so 8A. And then I go to 8, make this 8B. And again, these are all my biology classes that took this assessment. Period 5. I only have 1 period 5, so that's nice. And here's my other period 4. It's going to be my 4B. And my period, that's it. Okay, so yeah, 4A, 4B, 8A, 8B, 5. All right, so now I'm going to go and open those. So I open 4A. And I'm looking for my Chapter 3 assessment. So there it is, Chapter 3 assessment. So that's the data I want. So I'm going to get rid of all of these. I don't need any of this data right here. So just get rid of it all. I just need my Chapter 3 assessment data. So get rid of the rest of them here. Boom, and there we go. And just wanted to, there we go. So this is the data from 4A. So now I'm going to open up 4B. It doesn't really matter what order you go in, but there it is, 4B, right? And this time I'm going to just go over and find my Chapter 3 assessment. There it is. And I'm just going to highlight it. And I'm going to right-click and cut it. And go right here and paste it. Right? And that was 4B. So now I'm going to open up 5. Same thing. Find my Chapter 3. There it is. Highlight those. And cut. Go back to 4A right here. Right click and paste. And now I need 8A. Same thing, go over to Chapter 3 assessment. There it is. Cut it and paste it. And 8B. Chapter 3 assessment. All right. Cut. There it is. Paste it right here. Okay. So now, I have 91. 91. That's pretty good. So highlight the whole column. And now you're going to go to sort and filter. And we're going to do a custom sort. I want to make sure that the box my data has headers is checked and choose Chapter 3 assessment. We're going to go smallest to largest. I'm going to change that, make it largest to smallest. And then click OK. And then it groups them all together, right? So the first thing I have is I've got these that are missing. And the way I can count them up real quickly is I just select them. So I select all my missing. Right, and so these are kids who did not take it yet, have not taken it yet. So that's 43 right there. So now I can go to my data, right? Not assessed, 43. Okay, and now, so for 4s, right, that's 88 to 100 is a 4. So here we go. I got 96 down to 88. There we go. And here it tells me that's 15. Where'd it go? So I have 15 4s. Right? 3s are from 66 to 87. There we go. 66 to 87, that's right there, and it tells me right here that that's 10, right? So I got 10. 2s, 44 to 65. So back to the data, 44 to 65, there we go. I got 8. And how many 1s? 1s are 0 to 43. So here we go, 0 to 43. So that's 12. There we go. Submitted by me. And so to get these, I just highlight that and it'll copy the formula for me. So I just do copy and then I do paste and it calculates it for me. Oh, I have submitted in there twice. Oh, cool. I guess we don't need this. Let me get rid of that column. Here we go. Okay, so there it is. Now the data's there and didn't take too long. Took less than 10 minutes. So that's about as much time as I'm willing to spend on this. So there it is. Hopefully it's helpful to you. If you have any questions or any help, comments, or you need any help, you can send me an email or leave me a message as a comment below, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.